SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a quite large manner. SLP explicitly faces opposition at $0, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture especially is as of now esteemed at $0 backing for the most certainly bears truly has been laid out at $0 the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through truly smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on some things. What by and large is transient cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir, especially as SLP a for the most part wise venture, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to jumping essentially profound into the SLP specialized examination, certainly let us sort of discuss the by and large current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1.06973065,872, which generally is very critical. The complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $25,050,644,957, which truly shows that yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the SLP specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. Exceptionally further appearance how the very all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $25,050,644,957, which fundamentally shows that yet prior to jumping, especially profound into the SLP specialized examination, explicitly led us by and large discussion about the kind of current economic situations, which sort of is very critical, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% incredibly. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39. Following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents, or so they especially thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. These occasions essentially show that the market fundamentally is going in an exceptionally descending heading for in every practical sense, transient in an unpretentious way. Right now, a really broad sort of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a fundamentally significant manner. Smooth love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a truly significant way. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become sort of additional in every practical sense. Dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which essentially is very critical. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which merchants truly move really dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of truly smooth love elixir, most certainly smooth love mixture execution. The fundamentally day-to-day diagram of genuinely smooth love elixir explicitly shows that the SLP cost explicitly has really descending development with a 1.18% lessening and commonly beyond 24 hours, which explicitly shows that help truly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become sort of more truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a significant manner. The value worth of the essentially smooth love elixir coin fundamentally is remaining at $0 market capitalization $137,276,313 USD, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $10,395,115 USD, which essentially is genuinely critical. Smooth love elixir value examination SLP cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span especially made sense of underneath, which generally is genuinely critical. we utilize sort of relative strength index, moving sort of normal union into similarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving truly normal and outstanding moving fundamentally normal to basically examine the future development of the by and large smooth love mixture. So smooth love elixir sort of is by esteemed at $0 backing for the truly bears explicitly has been laid out at $0 the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through fundamentally smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense clarified some pressing issues. What sort of is truly transient cost expectation for kind of smooth love elixir? Explicitly is SLP a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? The fundamentally relative strength list demonstrates that the SLP coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 34. By and large further appearance how these occasions show that the market essentially is going in a descending course for genuinely transient in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, showing how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, showing how especially smooth love mixture financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day graph, which in a real sense is very critical. As per the ordinary turn, the pivotal prompt obstruction for SLP may especially be for the most part found at $0, fundamentally followed by $0, showing how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a for the most part descending heading for present moment, which essentially is genuinely critical. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency as help levels certainly were situated at $0 afterward $0, exhibiting that SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which sort of is very huge. Ends there certainly have been in every practical sense negative pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will by and large go on as kind of lengthy as it explicitly stays in the rosy region. Truly further appearance how as per the regular turn, the critical quick obstruction for SLP may in a real sense be generally found at $0, most certainly followed by $0, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a sort of descending heading for truly transient in a fundamentally enormous manner. You ought to possibly sort of get crypto this moment on the off chance that you ready to fundamentally hold it through the highs and lows of the crypto market. So the truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $25,050,644,957, which especially shows that however prior to plunging certainly profound into the SLP specialized examination. In every practical sense, let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations in an all things considered, significant way.